ECN stands for Electronic Communications Network, and brokers use this technology to provide its clients with direct access to other traders from all over the world. Now, because an ECN broker consolidates price quotations from several market providers, aka banks, it would generally offer its clients much tighter bid and ask spreads than would otherwise be available to them. Now, since ECN brokers only matches trades between traders, it cannot trade the other side of the client's business, thus eliminating any conflict of interest. And because ECN spreads are much narrower and tighter than regular broker spreads, they will typically charge a fixed or variable commission for the transaction. ECN brokers allow you to trade outside traditional trading hours, providing a mechanism for those who either can't be actively involved during normal market hours or for those that prefer the flexibility of 24-hour-a-day trading. If you found the video helpful, give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you either way. Now, if you want to learn more about the Forex market, then just click the button here to my left to get started for absolutely free. I'll be hanging out in the live trading room 5 days a week discussing every aspect of profitable trading as well as the market commentary. I hope to see you in there real soon.